Everybody, Kaler here, 9 a.m. pre-market prep. If you don't know me by Kaler, you might know me as Jesse, aka JJ, Jam Deuce. It doesn't matter, whatever you want to call me. Smash that like, hit that subscribe. We're here. The SPY is pumping. It's rallying. We had the 420 calls for tomorrow. Baby, let's go. Went from 50 cents. They're going to probably be popping off around 250 this morning. Looking to get them on that big old premium on the, what we just talked about yesterday, implied volatility. The implied volatility now went from 418 to 420, $2 overnight. They're going to go, oh snap, we got to raise the price. We got to jack this premium up so we can get some money out of these things while the market's still moving. Once it settles, calms down for the day, those things will not be nearly worth the same. They're not. It's just plain and simple. They won't be worth the same. Now, the problem is I've had people, not a problem, but a question we have is, what if there's no one there to buy it? There's no liquidity. Well, in the SPY, you always got someone to buy. I'm telling you. SPY, buy, it happens. So let's get into the newsletter today. Drop the intro. Now it's time for the world to see what I can offer, and I figured that this is the time for me to shine and give my informational service and let everybody come in at the pre-market prep and watch me do my live videos every morning and give them the direction that I feel that things are moving. And sometimes it's right, sometimes it's wrong. It's just we want to be right more than we're wrong.
Disclaimer: Elite trading is for educational purposes only. The alerts given are not one-way tickets to be a millionaire. Discretion is advised.
They want to hit a base hit. They hit a base hit or a home run. Sometimes that home run makes up for the next 10 hits, but at the end of the day, you want to just hit those base hits. That's all it's about every day, and that's what I do. And that's how we became successful. And now we're just wanting to share that success and let everybody else gain something that they don't already know.
I am not on my A game today. That's why I hit the intro. Make sure you guys know we're not stock advisors. We're strictly just giving you our opinion here, and we're trying to help you out by giving you some ideas, things you can maybe research or look up yourself to learn about, and that's why we do if you're someone that's new coming in today. If you're a loyal watcher, hit that like, hit a comment below, and just tell us, how you're feeling today. Give us a good morning. Give us some love in the chat, please. If you're on Facebook, I'm sorry I can't see it. The only chat I can see is on the YouTube channel. Check out Elite Trading on YouTube to find us. Hit that subscribe button. Let me get you to the newsletter here. We have the ET Morning Brew. It's just a nice little article that we've written this week about tokenization, giving you our bullish trade ideas. We've talked about how to trade earnings. We've talked about the... what else did we talk about? Implied volatility. And then now, we're working on, what's today's topic? Market rotation. Relationships, rotationships, right? So you have relationships and you have rotations. And what you're looking for is you're trying to find, what I like to do is I like to find a pool of stocks. And I go, okay, let's make a spider chart or whatever type of graph or whatever, Excel sheet. And try to figure out how they correlate to each other. How do they relate? What do they do when one moves? When the SPY is going up, how do these pool of stocks react? When this stock moves up, how does this other stock move in relation? Right now, currently, when you see a rotation into big tech, you see a rotation into these names that have kind of just not been talked about. What I've learned, it's a funny little trick that I use, and it might work for you, is I go to my watch list. And I'll click that search button, like I'm going to search a ticker, and I go to that search bar. Well, then I'll scroll all the way down to the bottom. And then I'll write down the bottom 10 stocks that I haven't looked up in for a while. I haven't checked in a while. And then I'll write those down, and I'll take a look at them. And I'm telling you, it works almost 90% of the time. It works every time, right? Sex Panther. Get that reference. If you didn't, you suck. But It does. I mean, if you go back and if you think about it like this, you want to find the stuff that no one's looking for. The look-de-loos, looking left, looking right. They're going here, you're going there. You're trying to follow them here, they're going back over here. You know, you're trying to keep up with it, but there's a rotation happening between sectors, and you have to find the money, follow the money, and just go with the rotation and understand the relationship of when you see certain things happening. You know, there's a correlation, and it's time to dive back into that other sector. So hopefully that stuff works out for you, and it kind of helps you. They say the definition is rotation in the stock market refers to switching from one set of stocks to another. Pretty simple. The thinking is that the stock market the thinking in the stock market is that usually a particular set of stocks move together. You know, it's easily said, but people just don't get it. Bullish trade ideas for today: Facebook, Apple, and Solo. Bullish trade idea results for one day results were hashtag Facebook up 14%, BTX up 75%, and Yeti down 0.82%. You know, there's a trend. Look at it. Big up, small down. Let's see the next one. Oh, big up. That's supposed to be a plus. Big up, small down. Oh, what's this one? Big up, bigger up than this one, and then a small up. So, you know, there's no fluff here, fellas and ladies. I put it on there. I give you the ideas. We put the percentage the next day. One day. This isn't like, oh, maybe next week, or, hey, guys, I gave you a stock, and then it ran down 15%, and then you finally get your money back a month later. That's not what we do here. We're talking about what is going on right now. Let's go to the charts, mother suckers. Let's get it bigger for you. Let's get it bigger for you. Let's get it bigger, bigger, bigger. All right, let's look up DKNG from our trade idea yesterday. Up 67 cents in the pre-market, up 1%. That's what we like to see. We want this baby soaring over $59. But, you know, we'd really like this to go to about 150. Duh, let's go. We want it to keep on rocking. We want it to keep on rolling. 61, we wanted it to break out there, but look what it did at 61, fellas and ladies. It gave you that candle right to the top there. Boom, stopped in motion, came back down. What we need here to do is we need to hit that 61 and blow through it. If we hit resistance here, I will take my profit early. 61 was target number 1, 64 target number 2, 74.51 the end target. We'll come back for this drop. We have it written in here. And I like it. I like it a lot. Look, so just so you guys know, so we have, this is when we started playing DraftKings back down here. Elite Trading first alert at $30.80 was when that's not necessarily true, because we actually had it at $17 and then we bought back in at 30. But when we did the alert on here, we did it for $30.80. We said to get in and out around the second alert here, and then we have the entry and exit. So we had entry here, exit if it was to fall down below, and it actually did come back down and suck us out. And then we got the entry here, so sorry, the exit was here on the downfall, and then we entered here, and then we got in and then rode that baby up. Can't say we took it all the way to 74, but we did take some profit in there because we like to mark profit taking. Let me show you to the right with these alerts. If you see them there, we set an alert, it'll tell us when we took profit and alert us when you're not watching your phone to tell you, hey, this is where you want to take profit. So let's see if these partial sell 50%, sell 25%. Look at that. Ticked right to the 25-cent ticker, 25% ticker. So right there, you sell 25%, you're only holding 75 and you're already in the money a little bit. So hope this stuff works out for you guys. I hope these trade ideas are good for you. If you want more trade ideas like this and setups, hit that link in the description. Come join us in the Elite Trading Discord. Make sure you reach out, drop the stock you want, and I'll put a freaking chart analysis, technical analysis lines on there for you with my alert predictions. Stay in the green, my friends. My name's Kaler with Elite Trading. You are the best viewers I've ever had. stay in the green and